Attention TV so now your name say and che bia ana Galamsey hu sensem e Aisha Wanga ofiri ni manso emepie mo Ghana mem ha say de on was Galamsey na de nani esusu Ghana ha no mse ya president otiso ene nado dankwa Akufo Addo aye e de embrebia to wo say mo bia anye Galamsey Aisha Wanga ofiri no komba ya ozane de no beye asese no amanesem akopie mo e wo court battle mo na ene president e de nsem ba komye abeto abontia ama Otumfuo enso a react to that. Yanko na yankutie nsem no mu embra.
Illegal mining. That is what I'm against. I babe haye. Ene tebi. Chema ahinkro. E brim. I am a bo. And number one I two sika wumu. Bensu brim ni nyina say. Yentumi nkoso sa.
Now we and finally.
When you come to Galamsey, that is an albatross on our head. It's rather unfortunate that it's happened this way. Ghana was known as the Gold Coast and therefore it was known. But during that time, it wasn't like the Galamsey that we are talking about. Many ones people were doing hundreds and hundreds of years ago. It was there. But unfortunately, it's gotten to a point where people are now using equipment that and all that and doesn't care about, they don't care about the environment or anything. But the question is, who is in control of that security around the area? From the district level to the highest level. We are all talking about Galamsey. The government set up the military police to do it. Why have we not been able to stop it?
So
why? That's the point. Why haven't we been able to stop it? If you create a system where we say we will stop it, to the extent that the president says, I've put my presidency on the line, and yet it is going on, then to me, something is wrong somewhere.
Sure.
So we need to review why this is happening. Polluting our waters. And case in point is when I came back and hear that a Chinese woman who was supposedly deported is back in this country also doing Galamsey again. Who allowed her to come? Is it that our borders are porous? Or what? So what happened?
Sure.
And people know who are doing the Galamsey. They know the people are working there in the communities with those people. Unfortunately, unemployment may be the problem. Fine, but that is not to say that we have to destroy environments.
Sure.
Unemployment could be a problem. Fine, so people in communities will say, I don't have any job to do and therefore, but that's not the alternative. So it's something that is facing all of us that we need to find out what went wrong. But to me, why can't Galamsey be stopped? Because I'm sure people are also involved that they know and have some authority somewhere that I don't think that should be the case.
Sure.
So it's a sad time that the security agencies are very serious with that. Then it means we are going to just taking the face of the soil but not going too deeper to know exactly what's happening. And so it's my concern, Your Excellency, more so your concern. I've spoken about it, and we feel that it's about time that we all sat down to find out what it is. Because rivers are being polluted, and then we don't have a means of trying to clean these rivers and all those things. So our people who don't have water and everything, bilharzia, sickness, health, delivery system and everything is all being affected. But we need to take it serious. We have to.
Sure.
And if we can have drones to even check on whatever is happening, we would have to be able to pinpoint what's happening there, who is there. Because at the district level, we have the political administration there. You have the district chief executive, you have the district security council over there. And that district, there's a Galamsey going on. And you tell me we don't know who is there? Then unfortunately, you are nowhere to be the district chief executive or the district security council there. So that is meant to be looking after the security of that district. And that is not going there. So if you are not able to protect, give security to that community by stopping Galamsey, you are not wait to be there. It's
Sure.
like that. But we should be able to bring this to finality and then bring some sanity to it. Because other than that, it's going to bring flooding now is happening because people have dug so many things, so the environment cannot now hold on to this, and we are losing everything. The forest cover and everything is being won because Galamsey is taking over. So that is most my concern, and whatever it is that we can do, I think we need some training for the people who are like the army officers, the police officers. I can't see why they cannot be anywhere, but they should be able to stop that.
Sure.
So but if they go there and meet the Galamsey people with gold and all those things, that what happens? Where's the gold? Where's the money? Who is taking it?
Sure.
Let's face realities here. So that the concession or whatever it is given by them, by the authorities in Accra. The chiefs don't give concessions to people. The chiefs are there and the people come, they say that we've gotten a document from Accra to say that we've been given a license to come and mine. Who consulted the chief for him to even be able to supervise where he's going?
Sure.
And the constitution says the minerals under is for being held in trust for the people by the president. So whoever gave that person the license to go and mine should be responsible to supervise the degradation of the land.
Sure.
So these are some of the things that, Your Excellency, if you look asking for my concerns, I'm very, in fact, I'm very blunt on these things, and I don't hide my feelings on these things. So.
Otumfuo any president na the Akufo and ayate won ne ede apano na ha Attention TV, so keep subscribing to the YouTube channel, follow on Facebook, like, comment, and also share. Macron.